Found this in a garage from something that I was trying to do a while back and never got to use it. It's paint and primer, flat black, indoor outdoor, excellent edition, corrosion resistant, whatever. And I figured I could use this on the Jeep since it has a lot of on the plastic parts. Since there has a lot of plastic, faded plastic, like these pieces, the fenders. See how faded they are. And I decided to try it out on this plate holder. Yeah, let's see what's up. I had already taken this off a few days ago. That's why I only had 2 bolts up here, but it takes 4 to hold it in place. So as you saw me take these 2 off, and then the plate goes in here. When I took it off, it had a lot of dirt. There was even mud built up back here from the dust getting in between the cracks, whatever. I dipped it in a bucket of water to loosen up all the dirt, without realizing that the water was gonna get inside. This thing is hollow, so it filled up with water inside of inside, and then I was trying to shake it out through the small one. I decided to drill a hole in here since that's gonna be covered up by the plate anyway. I drilled a hole in there to get most of the water out as best as I could. After having done that, I noticed this. That seems to be a drain hole for the water. But nothing was coming out of here. Maybe if I stick this in here, you can see right there. You can see how deep it goes. And it's not blocked or anything. I don't know why the water wasn't coming out through there. Weird. Because when I did this one right here and I went like that, water did start coming out, but nothing was coming out of here. Anyway, I think it's pretty dry now. So we're gonna start by spraying it with some alcohol. Hopefully get whatever dirt still stuck on it that we may not see. And I got the bottle of alcohol and spray tank. I didn't find the actual bottle for this, so we're just gonna stick it in here and spray this. Now we're gonna let it dry and come back to it. We're back to it. It's mostly dry. Got a couple of clothes hangers. Band shape to hold this up so we can spray paint it. We're gonna start with this part with that the plate is gonna cover, but I want to start there to see how it comes out. If I mess it up, it's gonna be covered by the plate anyway. Sure, you noticed already that I did lay down some plastic and an old towel for the overspray. That's one coat. Just wait for it to dry a little bit. Somewhat dry already, and looks like it's soaked in. Just messed it up. But I guess it does look, it did do something. See the difference from here to here. We'll give it another coat, but first I'm gonna go all the way around with the first coat. Just a bit dry now. We're almost done. It's coming out pretty well. Gonna do the top part now. I'm not gonna do this stuff, this part right here, because it's in the back. There's no point. You won't see that. It's gonna go up to the edge. That should do it for the first coat. Now we'll wait again. Thinking it's a bit more drying time, but it's smooth done. It's a bit tacky still. Not sure if I should go with another coat right now. Probably spray a little bit more right here. Let's see. Yeah, let's do that. This way so you can kind of see. But the lighting sucks, you know. That should do it. Now, ¿qué hacemos ahora? Just gonna let it sit overnight, let it cure, and then we're gonna put it back on the Jeep. Actually, I decided to do another coat, this front part right here, since I only did one, and this is the part that's gonna be mostly exposed to the sun and the elements. So I'm just gonna do another coat right here. by the way, you notice this thing, it's a heater that I've been using in between coats to speed up the drying time. Just a little bit. And that's it. So now we're waiting. This is what we ended up with. Just pick it out here. See how different it looks from the fender. Let's put it on.